Go!
I wanna fuck, but she won't. Fuck her friend, money and pump. Look at my neck and it's numb. Look up on top, I don't show. She wanna fuck in my pockets, little bit. She wanna fuck in my pockets, little bit. She wanna fuck in my pockets, little bit. She wanna fuck in my pockets, little bigger. Jump in a Rari, I'm dashing. Fuck on that bitch, then I pass. You can't see me through them glasses.
So hey guys, I'm doing a little unboxing. Don't know what this is. I ordered a couple of things. This could be one of them. So we'll find out right now. No.
What's this and shaking?
Okay. I see a red package.
I think it's pink.
Oh no. No way, I got it.
What's that?
Quick release hub kit, Momo. I think I got black.
Oh, it's that.
My quick release is here. Now I gotta get the hub.
You have a hub.
No, I don't.
Don't really.
So yeah, guys, this is what I got. Got a Momo quick release.
Wait, doesn't this go this thing? Just like that.
So this goes in with the 3 holes on top.
I'm gonna do it.
I got this. Let me sit you guys back down.
I have to do it. So it's easy. Touch me right there.
Somehow like this, I don't know.
Let me see it.
Okay, now I got it. So I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna put this on my grip royal and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I put on the grip royal. Looks pretty nice. It's nice. It's not cheap. Pilot, Momo, grip royal, different brands, and then I think the other one's gonna be an NRG hub, which I'm waiting for that to come in. And they got all the wiring for the horn, which I'm not going to wire the horn when I get it, because that's going to be mad work. And yeah, that's really it. I got to put these bolts away and stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.